Welcome to Excel Master Channel. Today we will learn how to use freeze panes. To freeze panes, start by moving the cell pointer to the cell below the row that you want to remain visible as you scroll vertically. Then, choose View Freeze Panes and select the Freeze Panes option from the drop-down list. Excel inserts dark lines to indicate the frozen rows and columns. The frozen row and column remain visible as you scroll throughout the worksheet. To remove the frozen panes, choose View Freeze Panes and select the Unfreeze Panes option from the drop-down list. If you find this video helpful, then please hit like, subscribe, and share the video. If you find this video helpful, then please hit like.